Every hour a critical machine is down can cost manufacturers hundreds of thousands of dollars in lost production. Yet in many industrial plants, technicians still spend hours just trying to answer a basic question: do we even have the right spare part in stock? And if they do find it, the next challenge is figuring out where it is, whether safety stock is healthy, and if another plant already has available inventory. What if that entire search took seconds instead of hours? The challenge isn't just speed, it's fragmentation. Large industrial facilities often manage between 10,000 and 80,000 unique spare part SKUs spread across multiple warehouses, ERP systems, and plant locations. With no single source of truth, inventory controllers face excess stock, surprise stockouts, procurement delays, and constant reactive firefighting. According to Aberdeen Group, unplanned downtime can cost industrial companies up to 11% of annual revenue. That's not just a maintenance problem, it's an operational intelligence problem. Let's make this real. Meet Michael, a maintenance engineer at a petrochemical facility in Houston, Texas. A critical pump seal has failed on a processing line during peak production hours. Michael urgently needs to confirm whether an SKF6205 bearing is available on site. Meanwhile, production losses are escalating by the minute, operations leadership is demanding updates, and procurement teams are already preparing emergency sourcing requests. Before using spare parts search and visibility, Michael would be making phone calls, checking spreadsheets, and waiting for responses from multiple stores teams. Today, he opens a single screen. Michael opens MRO360 and selects spare parts search and visibility. In seconds, the platform surfaces every spare part assigned to that location through a single consolidated inventory view. No spreadsheets, no disconnected systems, no waiting for manual inventory confirmation. Just real-time visibility across the operation. Michael types a simple question into spare parts search. What is the available stock and safety stock level for SKF6205 bearings? Just like asking a colleague. The AI-native spare parts search understands natural language queries without requiring exact part numbers, category codes, or complex ERP navigation. The system instantly analyzes live ERP and CMMS data, identifies relevant inventory records, and delivers actionable results in seconds. What previously required manual SAP searches, spreadsheet exports, and cross-referencing is now orchestrated by a context-aware AI agent. The platform can even generate ready-to-share inventory reports automatically. Spare parts search and visibility acts like an AI inventory agent that understands operational intent. But what if Michael doesn't know the exact part number? Maybe he only knows the manufacturer, SKF, or simply the category, bearings. Smart Search handles that instantly. He enters the manufacturer name into spare parts search, and the system immediately filters every relevant item. From there, Michael can drill into operational details, including safety stock thresholds, available inventory, restricted stock, and warehouse-level visibility. And if inventory is unavailable locally, Michael can leverage the interplant transferability feature to instantly identify alternate stock availability across other plants. All from a single interface. No toggling between systems, no exporting data into Excel, no operational blind spots. Before spare parts search and visibility, inventory data was reactive, fragmented, and dependent on tribal knowledge. Teams relied on spreadsheets, phone calls, and manual coordination. With centralized spare parts search and visibility, information becomes instantly accessible across the entire enterprise. Search time drops from hours to seconds, and critical maintenance decisions happen faster, with better operational visibility. Reduced operational delays, proactive visibility. Back to Michael. In less than 30 seconds, he leveraged interplant transferability to confirm the bearing was available at Warehouse 2, validated healthy safety stock levels, and identified an alternate supplier. The repair moves forward, production stays online, no emergency escalation, no procurement panic, no costly downtime. That's the operational advantage spare parts search and visibility delivers every shift, every day. That's the operational advantage this module delivers every shift, every day. With spare parts search and visibility, your organization gains a single inventory view across all plants and warehouses. AI native natural language search. Smart filtering by manufacturer, category, and stock thresholds. Real-time ERP and CMMS, connected inventory management, and faster operational decisions that reduce downtime risk while improving inventory optimization. Spare parts. Search and visibility transforms search into an AI-driven operational intelligence system. When critical equipment goes down, your team already knows where the right spare part is. Book a demo with MRO360 today.